Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Sephora unboxing to share with you guys, and it's not a ton of stuff, so it's just like a couple items, but I also got a trial size of a new product they've launched at Sephora, and it's actually a brand that they've been carrying I think a while, but sometimes they do send the emails where you can get a trial size of a new product from the brand, and that is how come I ended up picking up a couple things because I needed a couple things anyways, and I just love trying out new stuff. Also, I was able to get a couple samples as well, so I will just jump right into this video. So I've got my slip, and it's all got the packing paper, whatever you want to call it, on the top there. So I picked up this set, and it's the Tata Harper Glow For It kit, and what I wanted from the set was the glow mask. What is it called? A resurfacing mask is what I wanted to try, and I've been seeing YouTubers hauling that one, and I wanted to try it out, but it was kind of expensive. Actually, the last promotion that Sephora had, I think they do it twice a year where VIB gets I think 15% off, and the Rouge they get 20% off or something like that. And there was a YouTuber that had the mask on her wish list. I think she was gonna buy it because of the event. She was getting a percentage off, and because it was so expensive, it was the best time to pick it up. And she couldn't stop raving about this, and I figured, well, I don't own a lot of masks, and it's good to try different ones and see which one I like best. But when I went to check the price, it was like pretty expensive, and then I noticed that they had the set. So it comes with the mask. I don't know how good you're seeing this because my lighting is up pretty bright. It has the mask in there. It's got a cleanser, and it's got a moisturizer as well. So I think that this is such a good buy because the mask by itself, the same size that is in this set, sells for the same price that this set is for. So the mask alone is $83, and this whole entire set is $83. So which one do you think you would pick up if you were in my position, right? So I took this one obviously because I wanted to try the other two products that are in here. Maybe I might like them as well, and I know it's a little bit pricey if you buy them on their own, but sometimes the more money you spend on skincare, the better it works for you. So I'm excited to try this out. I've been looking at the reviews on Sephora about this, and it's got a lot of good reviews, so I want to try this. So that's what I picked up. And then there is another set. I'm not sure, I think it's $93 or $92 for that one, and it comes with different stuff. The mask is in that set, but there's two different things in there as well, and I don't know why it's $92, but maybe the other two things are a little bit more product in there, you know. Maybe I think these other two products that I'm getting in there is not full sizes, so maybe in the other set you're getting one of the other two items that's full size. I'm not sure, but this is the one I picked because I like to have glowing skin, so that is why I picked that one. So on my slip, it doesn't really tell me what sizes the products are, but it says right there that the mask is a full size, which is 30 mls, and these two are not full sizes. So I'm just gonna bring it up on my iPad and see if I can show you guys the sizes. So this is the set that I got. Oh, my window is shining on here. That's the set I picked up right there. And then it's got the resurfacing mask is the 30 mLs. The cleanser is 15 mLs. And the, I don't know if reparative moisturizer is 10 milliliters. So if you can see that there. And I will show you there's another set that's a little bit more money. This is the resurfacing trio and it's $92. So that's the other set that they have in there. And this one has the cleanser for 50 mils, the mask for 30 mils, and the serum for 10 ml. So the same sizes as those ones, but I don't know why it's more money. So that's it there. And I will show you the mask by itself. 30 mils is $83. So there it is right there, just by itself. It's not a kit, doesn't come with anything else. That's what it is, $83. But it's got a lot of good reviews and that is why I decided to get it. So next in my box, I picked up this Milk makeup and it's a gripping primer. And I've seen another YouTuber haul this and she was giving it a lot of good reviews. This is the mini size and there's a full size, which I really like when they have the mini sizes in products. That way you can test stuff out and you know, if you don't like it, you don't feel too bad because you don't pay a lot for the mini sizes. Of course, sometimes they can be like $30 or so, but still, you know. And then if you do like it, you can go up to the full size. And I find a lot of times with the mini sizes, they last a long time and you don't need to use very much of the product. So this is what I got, the Milk, and this is, it's a Hydro Grip Primer. My camera is so bright that I don't know if you're seeing this. And I tried this out on my skin when I was in the store in Grand Prairie and I love the feel of it. It just went right into my skin. And at first it feels a little bit sticky, but then it dries really smooth. Like you feel like you've put on a hand lotion and it just forms like a top layer base on the skin. That's how I felt. It was just like smooth, you know, no bumps, no dryness, just smooth. So I figured I would try this one. And that is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer Mini and it's a 10 milliliters. So just those two things I picked up, the Tata Harper set and the primer. And then I got a Tatcha, the satin skin mist. So the Tatcha has been around for a while. It's a brand that Sephora carries. And they sent me an email saying I can get this trial size. So I said, well, fine, I'm just gonna go ahead and buy these couple things. I love when they send me emails like that because then I get the trial size plus samples, plus I use my Ebates to get some cash back. So what does this do? It's a liquid powder for normal to oily skin. This oil-free powder in mist with Okinawa clay helps keep shine at bay for fresh, satiny, smooth skin all day without disturbing makeup or drying. To use, shake well, spritz, and wait several seconds to dry. Tatcha is another expensive brand. I've heard a lot of good things about the moisturizers. They're pretty good. They're the water-based ones, which I kind of need because my skin has been so dry after the winter. But you know, I like to shop around and see which product is best and if I can afford it and all these things. So that is what I got free. And I also picked 2 samples. I got the Clarins SOS Hydra. It's a refreshing hydration mask, and this is what it looks like. And then I got the DIOROUGE Ultra Rouge. I think these might be lipsticks. I'm not sure, I don't remember now. Oh yeah. So this is what it looks like. So cute. And you get to try out these colors, the shades, and it has like a little lip brush there that you can reuse after the colors are done. That's nice. And you can even like take off a color and take it with you, put it in your purse. Doesn't take up a lot of room. That's super cute. I like that. I love reds. Reds is my favorite color. Well, one of them, because I've got so many favorite colors for lipsticks. So that was what I got from Sephora. And I'd like to bring up my status to Rouge, so I'm gonna keep ordering. I wouldn't even bother going in the store and check, because sometimes the stuff that's available online I can't get in the store. It's only available online. It's an online exclusive, so I can't get it to buy there. So I may as well just order online, and then I get a lot of benefits when I do order online. I can get free shipping. I get sometimes I get like the trial size of something, and they always have trial size of stuff, always. But if you're too late, you might not get it. It might be sold out. But you never know. They have so many different ones you can choose from. So I can get a trial size. I get my samples. I think it used to be 3 or 4 samples before, but now they've changed it. I don't know why. Also with Ebates, I get about 2% or 2.5, something like that. It used to be 8%, but since they've had all those promotions going on, they've changed it, and it's been 2 or 2.5% for the longest time. And I love when it's 8%, because I just think that that's a big number. But I'll take whatever I can get, sort of. Isn't that just noisy? It is so noisy out here today. Like, we've got a lot of people building. People are doing yard work, so they've got equipment moving dirt round and round, and it's just so noisy. But anyways, that's how it is. You know, you can't get away from it. There's a lot of empty lots, and people are starting to build. So I mean, there's no way to work around it. You're just hearing it more now because I've got the windows open, because it's super windy, and I'm just letting the air get into the house and circulate so that it's not so warm. But anyways, I don't want to ramble and tell you all about this boring stuff. So that was my Sephora unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let me know if you've tried that Tata Harper mask, and if you're loving it, and also the milk primer, if you've tried it. I think for the milk primer there's more than one. There's different types in that one, but I've heard such good things about this one. So anyways, I will keep in touch, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.